Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 40 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with Aptos at number 1, followed by Near, AAVE, Ethereum Classic, ICP, PEPE, Trump, OKB, Tau, and then we end with Vitchin. And number 40, let's get straight into it. Aptos against BTC. Okay, so Aptos against BTC, what I noticed was that for the monthly, there is a dragonfly. There's a dragonfly here. So I'm like, oh my god, there's a dragonfly. The dragonfly doji. So dragonfly dojis are reversal. Okay, let me just show you. Dragonfly doji. Ta-da! Dragonfly dojis are reversal candlesticks. This gravestone is the opposite of a dragonfly. So I'm like, hey, this is great. So it feels to me like Aptos could be in a reversal. However, it's not going to be so straight cut, right? There's going to be a lot of challenges along the way, I would assume, before the reversal comes in. But a monthly dragonfly is very, very, very powerful. Aptos against USD. So looking at the USD part, okay, we drop down to the daily. Dropping down to the daily will tell you that Aptos will be in a breakout. Not too far away. A breakout may not be too far away. So this whole thing is a very, very big accumulation. And if and when the time comes, we may see Aptos spring much higher. Aptos has been hovering in the top 50 for a very, very long time. And I suspect that a breakout is not too far away, right? Aptos did not collapse to zero. Aptos as well did not rise to the moon. And yeah, I mean, Mohammed, as in the co-founder, one of the co-founders of Aptos, left the project just like that. He was the face of Aptos, but he left it just like that. So I'm like, what? Anyway, the other co-founder is in charge of Aptos right now, and I think that it'll probably take some time, but I suspect that Aptos has got something up its sleeves before a big rally comes, right? So yeah, so if Modian quit, then it would have been awesome, but such is life. Such is life. So anyway, we get lower highs, and this is not exactly a higher low, but hopefully this becomes a higher low, and then this becomes a squeeze, and then a breakout occurs. Right. So if a breakout occurs, where are we going to go to? I suspect very close to the top over here. If I had to guess, about 90 bucks, I would say. 90 bucks, yeah. 80 something, 90 bucks, I would say. So that's Aptos for you. I think Aptos could be, breaking out towards triple digits eventually, if and when the breakout comes, right? So you can see that whenever we hit this area, it's just a bounce up. Of course, at the same time, when we hit the upper area, it's also a bounce down. So I just suspect that eventually 158 this is just going to end, and the big breakout would happen for Aptos. So there you go. But of course, if Aptos clears these lows, right? Oh, this is bad news. Right, so again, we'll see how it goes. Of course, if BTC collapses, everybody's going to collapse along with it. So hopefully BTC doesn't collapse and Aptos just starts springing back higher. Near protocol, Near against BTC. Here we are for Near formed a lower low. So again, the comparison to Aptos, there is no dragonfly. Where's the dragonfly? No dragonfly for Near BTC. So Near is still kind of bearish to me, and this is a new all-time low for Near BTC. If you look at the USD pair, again, Near is also in a potential squeeze. We've mentioned this many times, and we hope to see a CDE completion and then pump. We break higher. Right. The timeline, again, my guess is 2027. So 2025 and 26, 25 probably will be a down year. 26 could be a year, but where things go, sideways, and a breakout happens in 2027. So yeah, again, I'm still expecting Near to go back down towards 130. I like Near. Near is a solid project in my opinion, just like Aptos as well. Both has huge potential towards the upside, and so yeah, and again, it's quite high in terms of its volume, trading volume. So it's safe to put on a huge size when trading these two coins. Another thing is that the market cap is pretty high, and a lot of exchanges have Aptos and Near. It shouldn't be any problem to be trading Aptos and Near. And yeah, again, both projects I feel like they have potential. But anyway, I think for near, it's kind of bearish and more downsides to be expected. Of course, there could be surprises and we could be, reversing back up here. Sure, great. But as long as we're under the skinny incline, we respect the bearish trend for near protocol. AAVE against BTC. I suspect that AAVE against BTC is done. Is done. AAVE has been in a downwards trend for how long? 91% it dropped. Crazy stuff. Against BTC. For 1,000 days, it's been dropping lower and lower and lower. And now we keep getting higher highs. Higher lows as well. Feels to me like the trend could be changing, right? But it's still kind of iffy in the sense that, yes, we're above the skinny incline, but will we sustain the move higher? Again, it's not too, uber bullish coming on for AAVE BTC. I suspect AAVE's time will come when Ethereum's time comes, right? And everything in Ethereum's orbit will be rising as well, and that includes AAVE. AAVE against USD is also doing pretty well, right? We're above the skinny incline, but I suspect that AAVE will be dropping a little bit lower. So yeah, it's not looking too good to me. We're probably gonna clear these classes of cells here. So I would expect AAVE to drop this low, right? But from a trading standpoint, chart pattern just really isn't that high quality. But AAVE is still in a bullish trend, right? Again, we might drop under the skinny incline for a while, and then maybe there could be a strong bounce. But I don't really like it when we are under the skinny incline. So we'll see how it goes first though. Ethereum Classic against BTC. Ethereum Classic is maybe still in a downwards trend. So our hope is for Ethereum Classic to stay above these lows, because Ethereum Classic could also be in a very nice squeeze. Again, I'm not too sure what's happening in Ethereum Classic. Is there any growth potential for Ethereum Classic? I don't know. Ethereum Classic against USD could be rising, right? Again, just like Aptos, it's in a very nice long accumulation period. And so the blast off might come. Again, same thing, about $90, right? There could be a blast off from here to 90, about 300%, maybe. But again, we cannot go any lower, right? This is already a very nice higher low. High low, high low, high low, high low, high low. Hopefully we go back. And then we break out from here, right? And this is low, high, low, high, low, high. Okay, no, this is a higher high. So this is a lower high, right? Series of lower highs. I mean, you can discount this. Yeah, it's a squeeze. It's a squeeze. More likely than not, we will see a breakout eventually. And the target is at $90. But we need to see a clear consolidation, a clear constriction. There probably will be a smaller constriction here before the breakout, right? You will be able to recognize the breakout if and when it happens. Like, there was a very short squeeze here, right? And bam, it breaks out. So yeah, we'll be able to recognize it if and when it happens. So that's Ethereum Classic for you. ICP against BTC. Here we are for ICP. ICP. Okay, no. ICP is just not doing too good against USD. ICP is more likely than not to come lower. How much lower? $4? 4 something? 420, 430? Again, noisy area over here. I'm just gonna assume we're gonna stop around 420, yeah, 4 something, somewhere above $4. Of course, we could drop to this lower noisy area as well. So ICP don't look too good to me. So stay safe. PEPE against USD. Okay, so PEPE is not good. Why? Because I feel like PEPE is forming a head and shoulders. Right. I think a right shoulder is in the making, and then PEPE could be dropping much lower. Very likely we're gonna clear these classes of cells. So PEPE's face is not looking too good. I highly suspect that a right shoulder is in the making. If you drop down to the daily, we're already under the skinny incline. Right, and it ties in very well to the right shoulder theory. We'll hit the skinny incline, which will act as a resistance. And after that, we come back down. Right, we might go beyond it though. But I still suspect that once we go towards the skinny incline, it will act as a resistance and then it will bounce back down, complete the right shoulder. That's it. It collapses. So for me, PEPE is not good. It's not good at all. So more downsides to come for PEPE. So stay freaking safe. PEPE is a short. Trump against USD. Here we are for Trump. Trump don't look too good to me. I suspect Trump will still drop a bit lower. Yeah, we're seeing hammers here and there. But this is still a bearish engulfing. So, there's bullish reversal, there's bearish reversal. Bullish reversal, bro. Again, not too sure though. So, yeah, we'll stay safe. OKB against USD. Here we are for OKB. OKB is, in my opinion, I think OKB is in a squeeze. We were anticipating these lows to be taken out, but I think this is an anomaly, and we are in a squeeze. Right, we might clear these two classes of cells first. Drop a bit lower, $35, and then pump, we go higher. So yeah, but OKB is not widely tradable. Bitensor is another project which I like. Tau USDT. So Tau, look at this. We've marked it. Tau against USDT is flagged the rate. So for Tau, we are anticipating the squeeze to finish, complete ABCDE. Right. Again, I still suspect. We were saying that once you take out these lows, right? Yeah, probably gonna go much lower. We're probably gonna clear these lows as well, and this one. I mean, of course, we could also just hit up from here, for sure. But watch out for these lows, right? We might just sweep these and reverse back up. At the same time, this could also be, a bearish trend continuation. I don't think so, though. I think we're gonna complete a very nice squeeze over here, and then it breaks higher, right? But the timeline might be much sooner than you think if this is bullish. But of course, if it's bearish, then we'll probably get mountain ranges and probably hit lower. So the hope is that we get a nice squeeze ABCDE over here, right? So yeah, again, we'll have to wait and see how it goes. We need more information. VeChain against BTC is not doing too well. All right, we just got a new all-time low here. Are we gonna get a lower low? I don't know. We're still clearly under a skinny incline, so the trend is still bearish against BTC. Bet against USD. Okay, bet against USD. Okay, I suspect we're gonna clear this sell cluster here first, which is about 23 cents. Yeah, I think we're gonna clear this sell cluster first. Once we clear this sell cluster, very likely there could be a reversal, right? And VeChain has a knack of, whenever it drops, right, it goes sideways for a long time before going back up, right? Go sideways before going back up. I suspect that this could also be another sideways move before it goes back up, right? Yeah, but you can already see higher highs. So the hope is that the trend continues, right? The moment we took out all these clusters of buys, right, all these highs, take it out, come back down, retrace, pump, we go higher, right? Take out these highs, retrace, go higher, right? We're hoping for the next higher high to come on, right? Higher low, higher high, right? Bullish trend. So yeah, but again, we're still under the skinny pink line. Not doing too well, but this is I feel like this is a triple bullish divergence that is about to complete, and then we'll probably see some sort of a reversal back up, right? Monthly is still not too, I'm still not too convinced about the monthly. The weekly is, I don't know, but you can see buying coming in, right? We got a dragonfly doji here. Previous week, are we gonna get another dragonfly or a hammer? Could we still drop a bit lower? Yeah, I think we'll probably clear this though. Right, I drop a little bit lower though. Yeah, just a little bit lower. I feel like this is not too far away. I feel reversal is not too far away. So yeah, you gotta be patient. So that's VeChain for you. Yeah, I guess that's it for today's top 40. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-ta!